Hey, I'll share a cool video tutorial with you today. Let's explore how to use Instagram's Reel feature to showcase your creativity and personality. Reel is a hot short video feature on Instagram. You can create 15-second to 1-minute videos with effects, music, and filters. Why try Reel? It helps attract followers, increase social media presence, and connect with the global Instagram community. Let's create our first Reel. Open Instagram, click the plus button, and select Reel. Inside the creation interface, you'll find a range of tools to explore music, effects, timers, text and doodles, and audio alignment. Use the music feature to add background music to your Reel. Try out different effects like filters and transitions to enhance your video. Utilize timers to control the recording time and create seamless clips. Get creative with text and doodles to express yourself, and use audio alignment to synchronize your video and music seamlessly. Now make your Reel. Record a 15 to 1-minute video and add effects, music, and filters for personality and creativity. After recording, use editing tools to adjust orders, cut unwanted parts, and time music or effects. Add text and doodles for fun. Before sharing, add a description and tags for discovery and interaction. Choose privacy settings and share your Reel with followers or on Instagram stories, messages, or other platforms. Interact on Instagram, reply to comments like others' Reels, and connect with creators. Great job! You've learned to use Instagram's Reel feature. Keep creating and connecting with the global Instagram community. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more social media tips and creative inspiration. Stay cool and keep creating.